要抱怨，抱我。
那太好了，
让我抱你。
Welcome to In Chinese and fasten your seatbelts. I'm Xinyu. Today we're gonna learn something different, which is 土味情话 cheesy pickup lines. 土 mud, 味 taste, 土味 cheesy, 情 affection, 话 word, 情话 intimate word, 土味情话 cheesy pickup lines. Today I will not only teach you how to say 5 cheesy pickup lines in Chinese, but I also want to share the reaction of my friends when I say this 土味情话 to them. If you like learning Chinese, subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you never miss a video. And 我们开始吧。Number 1. 你喜欢吃糖吗？喜欢呀，怪不得那么甜。Cheesy pickup lines are mostly wordplay or puns. In these cheesy pickup lines, the twist is very obvious. I think no one will refuse that you tell them they are so sweet. 你喜欢吃糖吗？
喜欢。
喜欢呀。
吃糖？喜欢。
当然喜欢。
怪不得这么甜。
太谢谢你了。
怪不得那么甜。怪不得那么甜。Number 2. 你属什么？我属狗。不，你属于我。In Chinese, if you want to ask someone's Chinese zodiac, you need to use the word 属。你属什么？ What's your Chinese zodiac? 我属狗。My animal sign is dog. And this word 属于 means belong to. After this person answers you with his Chinese zodiac, you can use 你属于我 You belong to me to make an unexpected surprise. 你属什么？
我属虎。
大龙。
啊，你属龙是不是？
我属马。
啊，我属虎。
不。
为什么？
你属于我。
那太好了。
你属于我。Number 3. 冬天来了，你知道喝什么最好吗？喝什么？呵护你。Here, 喝 is a verb which means to drink, and 呵护 is also a verb which means to take care of someone. 喝 and 喝 they both have the same pronunciation. 冬天快来了，你知道喝什么最好吗？
我觉得喝汤吧。
咖啡。
奶茶。
什么？
啊？
呵护你。
我。
不。
为什么？
呵护你。呵护你。Number 4. 不要抱怨了。我没有啊。抱我。Here, 抱怨 is a verb which means to complain, and the character 抱 is also a verb which means to hug. You start with asking them to stop complaining. As a result, they will be like, "What did I do wrong?" Here, you can give them a sweet blow. 抱我。你们不要抱怨了。
为什么？我没有抱怨啊。
我没有抱怨。
我没抱怨。
为什么呀？
抱我。抱我。
啊，好的。
抱我。
抱怨。
OK。
让我抱你。
抱我。抱我。不。Number 5， 可以管好你的嘴吗？我说什么了？不然我会想要亲你。嘴 it's a noun which means mouth. 管好你的嘴 watch your mouth. It's more like an offensive expression. 亲 is a verb which means to kiss. In Chinese, 亲嘴 means kiss too, but it's usually used in the spoken language. 可以管好你的嘴吗？ Can you watch your mouth? Whenever you use this expression, it's meant to make someone angry. So you tell them, 不然我会想要亲你 Otherwise, I wanna kiss you. Tips: do not use it on someone you just met. Otherwise, 臭流氓，臭流氓，臭流氓，臭流氓，臭流氓。可以管好你的嘴吗？
为什么呀？
啊？为什么？
为什么？
什么？
不然我会想要亲你。
那不行不行。
你。So there you have it. These are 5土味情话 you could start using today. These are cheesy pickup lines for both boys and girls. Let's share in the comments below what's a funny and cute 土味情话 you've ever heard before. And here I have a gift for you, which is a free PDF of today's lesson I compiled. If you think my video can help you learn Chinese, why don't you be a blessing and share it with a friend? I appreciate you and I wish you the very best in your life. I'm Qiyu. See you next time. 么么哒。心上人。你知道？来，
太 cheesy 了。
啊。What's a cute and fun cheesy pickup lines you've heard before? Heard before. You've heard before. You've heard before. 不然，我想要亲你哦。